Hello again, my friends. You see, it's the second Christmas day, or evening in fact, so it's time to see what Santa Claus brought, eh? And yes, here I have two tips for my beloved TS100, and you see, these are exactly what I was looking for so long. Santa was a really nice guy this year, and these tips are from Miniware originals for TS100 and 101, made in China, but original. So we have the logo over there. This tip is TSBC2, and it's with 45 degree here, and 11.5 millimeters. That's number 1. I didn't open it yet. All right. So it's this kind of tip. There we go. With the Miniware logo. You see it? Okay. That's number 1, and let's have number 2, which is a TSD24. It have a 10 millimeters, you know, the tip, the length of the tip, and you see it's a kind of sisal if we take it that way. Really nice original Miniware stuff, and that's how the tip is looking like. I want to measure these tips to see about the internal resistance, and of course what makes this being the real stuff, because there are plenty of tips all around the internet. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of fakes, mega ohms, so probably these two are the contacts we need. 7.05 ohms. Okay, so this is TSD24, the first guy here. Once again, let's measure it. 7.05 ohms. Okay, and the other one, which is TSBC2, 7.25 or something, a little bit higher. Now I'll take off this one, which came with TS100 from the early beginning. You don't need to over twist those screws there. It's unnecessary. I can't remember which model was this one, but anyway, did a great job. 8.02, slightly higher than these guys. I believe this one is like this. It was like that. Oh yeah. I prefer to have the screen on me and angle down here. Yes, I'm gonna try also to have a temperature sense to see if it fits the expectation. It's kind of, the display here is kind of strange, so it have to be on kind of angle for the camera to read it. Okay, like this. Is it working? Yeah, clearly working. Okay, so now power supply, it's set to 350 degrees. Let's see what's happening there. And the power supply is delivering 19.3 volts. Yeah, almost there. 341. If we consider a little bit of isolation, thermal camera, it's catching that. 325. But my thermal camera is just show me 125 degrees. Okay, let me add some flux. And a little bit of soldering. Oh, it's so beautiful, look there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And now let's take the temperature. Let me see these probes, how are behaving with Fluke. Are we on Celsius? Of course we are. A little bit of flux now. Yeah, same story, 335 maximum, so maybe like 15 degrees lower than temperature preset over there. Okay, let's take this out. Let me have this, let's call it original, came with TS100. Just want to check the temperature. Yeah, same story, almost the same. Okay, and let's have the other one, the new one. Perfect. Yeah, it's heating up. 37, 38, 39, okay, 40. Yeah, like 10 degrees difference. Okay, let's have a first kind of primer, I may say. It's perfect. What can I say? It's like 15 degrees difference in between the screen, the preset, and the temperature in the tip, on the top of the tip. Difference in resistance. This one was the original. It came with the machine, and I can't recall if there was any logo or something. Anyway, it's like 1 ohm higher than the other two guys, but like a rule 7.05 ohms for these two shows a good tip. Well, we'll see how long it takes to ruin them, of course. And yeah, I hope it's useful. And like always, first of all, thanks to my sponsors, thanks to Radu G, thanks to Vlad Kaya from Ampere Records. He was my Santa Claus. And Czech also. Merry Christmas to you again. It's the second Christmas day, like I said. We are getting ready for the New Year's Eve. It's coming soon in a few days. And yeah, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and I'm waiting your comments. And rule number 1, don't forget to have fun. See you, bye bye.